cropped blazer, skim. Ooh, yum, cute. So this weekend is now me and Dan's Christmas weekend. The salad. Hello guys, welcome to or back to my channel. Happy Vlogmas. I am going to start today's video with my advent calendar because I've already missed some days. So I have the Sugarfina one. Today is the 9th. I think I'm uploading these a little bit out of order, but whatever. Today's the 9th. So let's see. Ooh, yum. Cute. They smell like peach rings. That's it. Bye. Hello. I've been horrible at vlogging today and it continues because I am running out to get dinner with a friend at Vic's Italian place. It's supposed to be really good. I'm wearing this little Christmas holiday bow, this red cropped blazer. Let me just show you. Red cropped blazer, Skims long sleeve, these like black Zara pants, boots, and then my super puff because it's cold. And I'm running out, so see you later. Good morning. Guys, Dan went out to go get lunch, just salad, and he brought me back a bubble tea. Look at it, it's their little Christmas version. How cute. Gongcha, still my favorite. Yum. All right, we got marinara for dinner. Gonna toss their Caesar salad. Is like weirdly so good. I don't know why, but it's so good. Here's a little table setup. We got the salad. Just heating up the pizza because it got a little cold. Got my Christmas pajamas on. Hello guys. So today I literally haven't really filmed anything because we decided it was me and Dan's Christmas weekend this weekend. So this weekend is now me and Dan's Christmas weekend. So we had a lovely day together just hanging out. We had dinner, and now before we like open presents and do like a Christmas movie maybe and relax, I wanted to make like a warm drink. And first I was gonna make like a cocktail, then like a mulled wine, but I'm not really feeling like drinking today. So instead I think I'm gonna make like an apple tea. The Poosh apple tea, actually, it has like those cloves and nutmegs and those warming spices that give the same vibe. So I'm gonna make those and then we're gonna open presents and it's gonna be fun. But I just wanted to chat. I'm wearing my Christmas pajamas and Dan has the matching ones in blue. So cute. First, should we do today's advent calendar? Is it the 10th, Dan? Let's do 10. Let's see what we got here. Oh, hi. She's stuck. Looks like a gummy bear type of situation. Oh, like a sour. I'm going to make a little peppermint cacao type of hot chocolate, but like a little bit healthier. Gonna use some oat milk, peppermint extract, a little bit of maple syrup as the sweetener, cacao, and coconut oil and nutmeg. And hopefully it's good. Alright. Wow, it's really good. I actually didn't add the peppermint because I didn't need it, but it's really good. But now we're going to do presents. end it here. We had a lovely Christmas. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next one.